Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Outdoor Tinkerer. Today I'm working on the crib again. Today I am working specifically on the slats again. I got the router set up in a fixed base, and I'll kind of show you that here real quick. But so I'm going to be routering the edges, taking all the sharp corners off of everything, and pretty much getting it ready to be put together.
You got to let it go.
So this is what I've got the router set up like. Basically, this is a fixed base router setup, and so I drilled a hole in my table saw extension because it's the thinnest piece of material that I have that is in a table like form. This I can use in the future, this kind of design, whatever. Now I know how to set it up, basically. It's giving me some ideas of how I want to do a permanent router table. But basically this is a makeshift one using the table saw extension. So it comes with these plates here. And so what I did is I drilled a big old hole in there so that the collet can fit through it too, so there's nothing that's gonna rub or hit or anything like that. But I'll show you the underneath side here. So as you can see, it's just the fixed base, and that's really all it is. This router, this Bosch router, has the one I got has the fixed base and the plunge base, and with these guys they come with, so part of the base you can kind of see here, like this is the base, and then they have these like face plates. And so that's what I did. I just sandwiched this piece of wood in between, and it's holding it really well. It's really solid, and it's looking really good. I did a few pieces over here, and I'll pull them up to compare just how nicely this is really just really getting these corners off, and it's really smooth. It's really soft. It's not gouging at all, and it looks really natural. So it's not something that's sticking out and being a pain in the butt. So, and even with this wood being really hard, the bit is really sharp, so I don't have to worry about that. So I did a few of those already, and I've got all of these to do, and I'm not sure if I'm going to do these anymore. I probably will, just because they're already pretty much rounded, but I think just to give them a uniformity, I'll do those too. So I'll have to take apart this a little bit, and also I'll do the sides of the posts, and I have all of these rails to do and slats to do and all this stuff. So, and then it's a lot of sanding. So let me get to it.
You got to let it go.
The next step is even more sanding. Glad I have one of these and I don't do this all by hand. That'd be a nightmare.